Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Gmail and then jumping directly to Contacts. This puts you in the right interface to search. Once signed in, click the Google Apps grid upper right and select Contacts so you see your full list. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple accounts, otherwise you may search the wrong address book. Once you're viewing Contacts, notice the search box at the top. That's where you'll enter names, emails, or phone numbers to locate entries quickly. You now perform a focused search inside Contacts by typing the person's name, email, or phone number into the search box. Contacts supports partial matches, so start with a few letters. Once done, scan the results list and use transitional clicks. When you click an entry, you reveal labels, linked Google profiles, and multiple addresses which explain why duplicates appear. Make sure to check linked cards for merged information. This clarifies whether two records are the same person or separate contacts. You finish by narrowing and acting on results. Use left-side filters like labels or frequent to focus large lists, then select one or multiple contacts for merging, labeling, or deletion. Once done, confirm changes propagate across Google services to keep email autofill consistent. If a contact is missing, make sure you're in the right Google account, check Contacts trash for accidental deletes, or use Gmail's message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.